The dawn of light-based quantum computing. Imagine computers that are millions of times faster than today's models, solving problems we once thought impossible. This may sound like science fiction, but it's the reality quantum computing promises. Thanks to researchers in South Korea, we're one step closer to that future. A tiny but mighty breakthrough. Scientists at the Electronics and Telecommunications Research Institute, ETRI, in South Korea, have developed a tiny chip, smaller than a fingernail, that can control 8 particles of light at once. While this might sound small, it's a huge leap for quantum computing. Why use light? Why light? Because it's fast. Light particles, called photons, can carry far more information than electricity. This could make quantum computers faster and more powerful than anything we've seen before. What makes this chip special? The chip is made from silicon, the same material used in regular computer chips. This makes it easier and cheaper to produce. Plus, controlling 8 light particles at once is a new record, opening the door to even more advanced quantum operations. What could this mean for us? Though we're still in the early stages, this breakthrough could lead to computers that 1. Design new medicines faster. 2. Accurately predict weather patterns. 3. Solve complex financial problems in seconds. 4. Strengthen cybersecurity. Looking forward. While quantum computers won't replace our laptops just yet, this innovation is a major step forward. With each breakthrough, we get closer to a future where quantum computers are part of our daily lives, revolutionizing industries across the board.